Well, hello YouTube. After a long time that this car left me stranded again. It burned that fuse right there. That they actually changed it. I don't know why it burned it again. I checked all there's no grounds, no anything. The car is working fine. I feel a little mess, but I don't know, maybe because I followed the spark plugs when the car, shut off. This ignition switch apparently goes bad on these G bodies and F bodies a lot, so it was a pain in the ass to change it. Just make sure you remember how the orientation of this thing goes. If you change it, it goes right there underneath the steering column. So I have to take the steering column bracket out first, right here, put it down, and then take this bracket off from the steering column, so it will be able, I got more room to mess with it. So I turn it on, everything seems to be working fine. Now I'm gonna button it up, and yeah, I just had to, I couldn't start the new year without fixing this freaking car. Look at that. If it wasn't, I think I forgot also it has a little cam, so. Anyway, mission accomplished. It is dirty, but it still sounds good. Actually, I'm gonna move it forward a little bit. Anyway, YouTube, just want to tell you that the Grand Prix is back in action. I just got to button it up and she'll be good to go. Until next time.